Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change address in Monzo account. First thing I want you to do once you launch up your app, come to the top left and click on your profile icon. And then what I want you to do is just come here and click on your name right here where you say personal, and then you'll see your personal details. What I want you to do is just come here where you see contact details. The first thing will be your address, and to update it, just go ahead and click on it here, and it'll ask you to go ahead and enter your address. Just scroll down, enter your new address right there with the postcode, of course, every detail that you need to. And then what you need to do is go ahead and click on next. Now keep in mind that when you update this will not affect where you can send the replacement card, so you have to set that up separately as well. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.